The commercial real estate market is entering a once-in-a-generation shift. It's a perfect storm that is shaping the future of CRE lending as we know it. Right now, over $4 trillion in commercial real estate debt is maturing, and the clock is ticking. The era of extend and pretend is officially over. Borrowers are now facing real refinancing decisions. Traditional banks are pulling back significantly due to liquidity and regulatory pressures. But make no mistake, this is not another 2008. Foreclosures won't be the solution this time. Instead, billions of dollars are pouring into the market from private capital sources. The biggest shortage right now isn't money, it's trained commercial mortgage brokers. That's why Oceanview is building the largest commercial mortgage network in the country. We are empowering a new generation of brokers to step in and lead the next decade of lending. Join the Oceanview ecosystem today. Visit us online to learn about our broker opportunities and PODs. The opportunity is here. Are you ready to capitalize on it? Let's get to work.